McDonald's. And now friends, let's fix it. Sonic, we are going to fix a bug for Sonic. I don't know the name of it. Friends, you should use it carefully, but when I was fixing it here, see, I applied cello tape and stapler tape. Now let's fix. You should take a piece like this, but one like this. There are two. One has holes like this, but the other one don't have holes. So take the first one which has holes, and we should fix it. There are two holes in this. We should fix it with the first one in these two holes. First one like this, and there is a part like this, and I told you there's a hole here. We should put that part inside like this. Now let's take the other one. This one. And do the same thing. That's all in. Part inside the hole. Okay. Now let's take the other one. See where the and we will show a pet parrot in the next video. Okay, now let's fix it. We put the other part also inside this. Friends, you should use it carefully. Sometimes it would tear. Friends, sometimes this part will go outside, so you should inside the hole again. Now let's take Sonic's job. He's going to his bike. Now only 4 parts are there, so easy to fix. You could see there are 2 holes in the back. You can just fix it like this, and take the other one and fix them in the hole. There are 2 holes like this. And you should take this part like this, fixing between these 2 holes. Now only one thing left. Take this part. Friends, this little bit hard. You should put it slowly inside the hole. See, like this, and fix it to the Sonic's. And friends, you could see you should put this part like this inside, and you should fix it inside the red part like this. Okay, now let's do it. Fix Sonic the Hedgehog. Take it.